Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we got something amazing for you guys. So what I have right over here is a box that was sent to me from a case manufacturer. Inside this box is a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus model. So first we're gonna unbox this, and then what I do have also from the same case manufacturer known as Torras, I do have two cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So first we'll take out the phone, do a full tour around the phone, see what's going on with the cameras, with the ports, with the headphone jack, and all that stuff. And then we'll take a look at the cases that they have offered that you can also buy for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I do have two different cases right over here. We'll unbox these afterwards and see how they look on the actual phone. Now remember, this is a non-working dummy unit. However, it has the exact same dimensions as the actual Note 10 Plus and all the exact same ports and camera placement. So it's the exact same thing. Let's dive in. Alright, so here we have the box, and I did put some on gloves to make sure I don't put any fingerprints or smudges on the smartphone. So let's grab my Swiss Army knife, cut this thing open. Look, looks like it's already a little bit cut. Alright, and just remove what's in the box. Alright, so that's the Samsung Galaxy Note coming out. Some package right over here. And let's see, there is a note over here, probably from the manufacturer. I'm going to put that aside for a minute. And the case to the side as well. So the model, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus model, is wrapped in this bubble wrap. We're going to take that off, of course. So let's take that off. Oh my goodness, can't believe it's coming out. Alright, wow, there it is, guys. That's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in black color. The model, now as you can see, there's no fingerprints because of these gloves, so that's fantastic. So on the front, we do have a little protective foam. So let me just remove that real quick. Let's remove that, take that off, just like that. Alright, we do have the center hole cutout right over here, as you can see. Large 6.8 inch screen, and if I flip this over, we do have the three cameras that we've been seeing and hearing in many rumors and leaks. And of course we do have the fourth camera here, the two dots on the top. That's the time of flight 3D depth sensing camera. And of course we do have the flash, and as you can see, the heart rate sensor that you would find on a Samsung Galaxy Note S10 Plus or all the other Samsung Galaxies, which is right here, is in fact gone. So we have the flash, we have the two cameras here that act as one time of flight camera, and of course we have the three main cameras. We've got the 12 megapixel camera, that's the main camera. We have a 2x optical zoom camera in the middle or on the top, one of these guys, and then we also have a super wide angle camera. This is fantastic. It says Samsung right here. Now again, remember, this is a dummy model, but it's exactly the same size as the actual Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, from a different angle, I'm going to actually take a look at all the ports that we have on this phone. At the bottom, we do not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, so that's been confirmed. Let's dive in. Alright, so here's the bottom of the phone, and as you can see, right over here we have a microphone cutout. Over here we have the USB Type-C port, and over here we have the speaker grill, and over here we have the actual S Pen. And as you can clearly see, we do not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now that's been confirmed by many people that we do not have it, but it's nice to actually see it happening here. So the 3.5mm headphone jack is in fact gone. Of course, just for the hell of it, here's the Samsung Galaxy S10. And as you can see with this one, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB, the microphone hole, and the speaker grill. And of course on this one, the only thing extra that we have is the S Pen, but we do have the grill and the hole right there. So let's move to the side of the phone, see what's happening over here. Now over here, we do have a Bixby/power button. I'm not sure exactly if this is going to be Bixby and power button, just power button, or just a Bixby button, but this is the volume rocker here. And as you guys know, we do not have any buttons on this side of the device. It's all nice and clean. Again, unlike the other phones that we have, these phones do have buttons a power button on the top, but this phone does not have a power button here. So I'm thinking the Bixby button here is going to be dual purpose, or it's just going to be a power button only. Now moving on to the top of the phone, here's where things do get slightly interesting. First and foremost, we do have a SIM card tray right over here. And of course, that also doubles up as a micro SD expansion slot. That's something we do have on the Note 10 Plus. And then we do have the microphone, but then we have something else over here, which I think could be an IR blaster, but I don't have a confirmation on that yet. And of course, if we were to look at the Samsung Galaxy S10, you'll see all it has is a microphone cutout on the top. And of course, it does have the micro SD tray here, but that's covered with the case. But regardless, we do have an extra bit of a cutout right here. And in a minute, I'll show you the cases. The cases do have the same thing. All right, so here's the first case. All right, and again, these cases are from Torras. I'm going to drop some links to their website down below so you can go check it out. And this case is also from Torras. Let's see what's in this box over here. All right, so this one seems to be a clear case. Let's take a look if it is a clear case or not. Just looks like it at least. All right, so we're going to take all these things off. All right, let's pull it out. All right, so that's a crystal clear case for somebody that wants a case through which you can see the phone. So this phone is going to come in different colors that are going to be beautiful. I'm not a big fan of the black color, but it's going to come in some kind of white color that's going to be beautiful. And of course, if you do have that kind of color, what you want is a case like this, which is going to be very thin, and also it's going to be see-through. And of course, if you look at this case real quick at the bottom over here, you'll notice that there is no cutout for the headphone jack, so that confirms it as well. On the side, we have two buttons, the volume and the power button, and on this side, no buttons at all. And of course, on the back, we do have the cutouts for all the cameras. On the top, we have one cutout for the microphone and one cutout for the potential IR blaster, but if it's not an IR blaster, it'll be something else. Okay, we'll see what it is. So let's put the phone inside. Let's see how easy it is to put the phone in here. So you just push it right in, and again, remember, this is the exact same dimensions as the final product. So that's a good case. I like it. See-through, you can see everything. Thankfully, I have the gloves, so there's no fingerprints on this thing. But these things do attract a lot of fingerprints. But that's the first case. That looks very good. And the biggest point with these cases are the fact that they do confirm everything that we already know about this smartphone. So that's case number one. Let's take a look at the other case and see what's going on. So this is the other case that they have sent over. And let's put this aside. Let's take this out. All right, so this one seems to be a see-through case. However, it seems to have some kind of rim around. Oh, nice. It's got a blue rim around the edges of the actual case. All right, so that's something nice and different to have. So let's try this one out. So let's take this out from here. Let's see how easy it is to take this out. Very easy. So these cases are supposed to be slim and highly protected. So let's put this aside for a minute. Let's take this and put this in here. See how that looks like. All right. Oh, that's nice as well. Okay. Again, this is black color. You can see through it. I like the see-through stuff. All right. It's a very beautiful phone. And if you get the right color, you're going to get some gradient effects on the Note 10 Pluses. And you will need a case like this to showcase the beauty through the case so you can enjoy your phone even more. But again, precise cutouts everywhere for the camera. Same thing at the bottom, same thing for the top, same thing for the sides, volume, power, or Bixby or whatever that button is going to be, and same thing here, absolutely nothing. So that's it, guys. That's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus that you're going to be seeing. That's going to be released tomorrow, and I think you're going to love it. I am highly excited for this product. Well, and of course, in case anybody's wondering, here's a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, all right? If you put it side, let me just take this off the case real quick. If you put them side by side, you'll see that they are exactly the same size. And then here we have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is a little bit smaller, but not too much. But remember, this is a 6.4-inch display, but this one with the same footprint as the Note 9 gives you a 6.8-inch super large display, albeit you're going to be losing one thing over here. We don't have any cutouts on the screen. With this one, you're getting one. But this one here is slightly smaller, 6.4 inches, and this one slightly bigger, 6.8 inches. So those are all these latest smartphones from Samsung side by side, in case you are wondering. So why don't you guys drop your comments down below and let me know, are you going to buy this phone or not? And if you're wondering anything about this phone, drop those comments down below. I'm just loving the fact that I'm looking at this phone and there's only one day left for me to get my hands on the actual thing if I go to the event. Otherwise, I'll grab it later, no problem, and give you guys video after video after video showcasing every single feature of this smartphone. Alright, so that's it for now, guys. Like I said, if you do have any questions, just drop them down below. And for now, have a fantastic day, alright? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button. And also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.